Numerical descriptions of group data. Let's consider this example. The following table is a frequency distribution for number of hours students spend playing computer games per week. Find mean, median, mode, and standard deviation and determine the shape of distribution. Let's first look at how to find mean. Mean for group data is given by this formula, where x is midpoint and f is frequency. To find mean for the data, first find midpoint for each class. Next, multiply each midpoint with each frequency. After that, take the summation of the multiplication of midpoint and frequency and divide it with the summation of frequency. Now let's look at how to find median. To find median for group data, first find cumulative frequency. Next, calculate median location. Median location is given by n divided by 2, where n is total frequency. Here, median location is equals to 25. After that, locate median class from cumulative frequency based on the median location. Lastly, calculate median by using formula. Median for group data is given by this formula, where capital L is the lower boundary of the median class, N is total frequency, capital F is the cumulative frequency before the median class, lowercase f is the frequency of the median class, and capital C is the class size. Now let's look at how to find mode. To find mode for group data, first locate the class that contains mode, which is the class with the highest frequency. Next, calculate mode by using formula. Mode for group data is given by this formula, where capital L is the lower boundary of the modal class. Delta 1 is equals to frequency of modal class minus frequency of the class before. Delta 2 is equals to frequency of modal class minus frequency of the class after. And capital C is the class size. Now let's look at how to find standard deviation. Standard deviation for group data is given by this formula, where x is midpoint and n is total frequency. To find standard deviation, first square each midpoint, and then multiply each squared midpoint with each frequency. Next, take the summation of f times x squared. After that, substitute the value of the summation of f times x squared, the value of the summation of f times x, and the value of n into the formula, and calculate the value of the standard deviation. Now let's look at how to determine shape of distribution. Shape of distribution is determined by using Pearson coefficient of skewness, which is denoted by R and is given by this formula. To find R, substitute the value of mean, median, and standard deviation into the formula and calculate the value. Since R is less than 0, the distribution is skewed to the left.